Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So today, we're diving into a topic that can be pretty intriguing, maybe even a little controversial. What happens when a married woman is into you? What are the signs she gives off when she's genuinely interested? Well, we're about to break it all down for you, so stick around because this is going to be interesting. Alright, let's not waste time. It's no secret that sometimes, even married women can develop feelings for someone outside their relationship. Now, before we go any further, let's make something clear. This video isn't about encouraging anything inappropriate. This is purely about understanding human behavior and those subtle cues that might make you think, is she into me? So let's get into it. 5 signs that a married woman may be showing more than just friendly interest. Sign 1. She gives you special attention. The first sign, and probably one of the easiest to notice, is when she gives you special attention. If you're in a group and she's focused on you, constantly laughing at your jokes, or finding reasons to engage in conversation with you more than anyone else, it could be a hint. She might touch your arm lightly while talking or lean in just a bit closer than usual. It's these little things that can signal she's interested in more than just casual chit-chat. Sign 2. She remembers the small details. You know how when someone's really into you, they seem to remember all those little things you said in passing? Like that random story you told, or a hobby you casually mentioned. If she brings these things up again later, it means she's paying extra close attention to what you say, married or not. Remembering those small details is a sign that you're on her mind more than just during your conversations. Sign 3. She finds excuses to be around you. Another big clue is when she finds reasons to be around you. Whether it's asking for help with something trivial or suggesting you meet up for coffee or lunch, these excuses can be a subtle way for her to spend more time with you. She's not just coincidentally running into you. Trust me, she's orchestrating those moments to get closer. Sign 4. She's comfortable sharing personal things with you. Now, this one is big. If she starts to open up about her personal life, maybe even her marriage or problems she's facing, that's a strong sign she feels comfortable with you in a way that goes beyond casual friendship. Emotional intimacy can sometimes be an even bigger sign of interest than physical closeness. If she's choosing to share parts of her life that she keeps private from others, it's possible she's looking for a deeper connection with you. Sign 5. She compliments you a lot. Finally, let's talk about compliments. Sure, everyone gives compliments now and then, but when a married woman consistently compliments your looks, your sense of humor, or your skills, especially in a way that feels a little more personal, it's a strong indicator she's attracted to you. It's not just about being nice. There's usually more behind it. If she's making you feel like $1,000,000 every time you talk, she might be sending a message. So there you have it. 5 signs that a married woman might be into you. Of course, it's important to remember that every situation is unique, and these signs don't always mean she's looking to cross any boundaries. Sometimes, it's just harmless flirting. But if you're noticing a combination of these behaviors, it might be worth considering that there's something more beneath the surface. At the end of the day, attraction can happen in all kinds of unexpected places, but it's how we handle it that really matters. If you find yourself in this situation, just remember, communication, respect, and understanding are key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, take care and see you in the next one.